Hi there, this is Naveen. I am from Pune and I have a very short story to share about my experience with K8 school. My kid has been in standard first in one of the renowned schools in Pune. Have been there since last 3 years and we are pretty happy. Post pandemic, the situation changed a bit where we determined that the online learning or a learning in a virtual and a remote environment, it's not as it was before or it's as easy, where a kid can certainly grasp what's getting downloaded on a Zoom or a video call by the teachers. It needs a different skill set altogether and a different infrastructure from a technology standpoint for the kids to really learn it better. And then this year, when we had to really renew the admission with the existing school, we thought to give it a shot and see if there are any online schools operating in India who are sound in terms of technology, who has a better teacher to student ratio, and may have the content, the learning content up on web, which would be easy and savvy for the kids to really learn from, and some level of assessment where the parent would have the required level of visibility as to in which direction the kids are really moving forward. During the research, I came across K8 school, and I happened to book a demo instantly on the social media. Upon booking a demo, we had a learning session. So along with my child, there were two other kids, and three kids took the demo together. During the demo, the way the overall structure has been laid out, the way the entire curriculum has been planned, and the amount of efforts which the teachers would take, or the quality of skill set of the teachers that I really experienced during the demo, did really indicate that it's not just learning, but it's something beyond. And that something is the need of an hour where kids would enjoy being a part of the session, and while enjoying, while playing, while really interacting, they get to learn a lot, and the skill set gets enhanced. The learning module system, the LMS technology, had a brief demo of the tool as well. And the tool was pretty comprehensive in nature. It gives a visibility of pre and post assessment scores, which gives us as a parent as visibility as to what has a kid has actually acquired post completion of a respective chapter, a lesson, or a subject. The another interesting thing that I came across was the school. It's going to start from May and it's going to go right through the end of March, which is really exciting. The kids will be occupied throughout the year. It's a 5 days learning. So of course, we are really engaging at an extensive level, but making sure that not too much of downloading is happening. Overall, very grateful to Ms. Dimple Shiron, who is a counselor at K8, really guided me at each step. And post the demo, she really engaged extensively with us, gave us a brief overview of how the admission process is going to work, how the fee structure look like, and answered a lot of queries that any other parents would have when they're making such an important decision. Also gave a brief exposure to what NWAC is. I hope not a lot of parents are aware of this American curriculum, which is designed in a manner where kids could really learn it faster and in an effective manner in a virtual environment. So we completed the admission process and very excited to get the session started. As per the communication I received from the school, the session would likely start from 1st of May. So we're all excited to be part of K8 and see how my kid really moves forward in his journey of education. So thank you, K8 School. I really appreciate what you're doing, and thank you so much.